And we don't have nothing to do with that. We can't speed it up. We have to allow that to them.
I don't want to take out my talking and feel some the same, And feel like some head still hot, because I know the difference. Just not feel safe.
But brother, you having a weapon, worse when it lies. You're going to become a target if you just use it.
Another weapon are going to make you safe, It's how you conduct yourself.
You hear what I say? I have to just wait.
You see that process, brother? That's going to help you a lot, That's going to bring us through some training and you're going to understand things more.
In the meantime, I got alert to squad car for the pass through around your place around Spanish Town. And even make 2 pass around yourself. And if you don't feel safe when you lock up and leave, me just link them and tell them so them can pick you up and drop you right at your gate too.
So Miss Brissett, a police in drive. No man, we can't work with them thing. The next thing you man them feel like so we are police in farm. But we don't work with the feds them way there.
So you not work with we?
No man, that different man, Miss Brissett, man. I'm doing no, not police, no feds, man. No, I wanna wait.
So, two men in a uniform, we're not feds. But here we go. You kind of confuse me still, because you say you don't feel safe. And we are offer you some protection. But no of your facts you are safe. And you are reject it. So what go on?
Alright, here we go. What's the difference? I don't like how the police them a move from what you know. Because you notice how the police them a move. Who don't move different. Who don't try to come inside to know what go on inside. Them stay from outside and do anything them a do, You see the man them a move, I run, them a run in for the man them, I slap them a slap the man them a ask question after.
Yeah. But don't use a few bad apple to spoil the whole bunch.
We know say shake you out the road with most of them, see? But we are try to fix it.
So tell me, what going on with Uno and Butcher?
I get sitting jingle.
Yo, bother that, brother. Bother do that way you do the other. I realize you don't want talking. What go on?
Nothing too tough. Everything alright, man.
Alright. You know the agent brother when they Majors?
Yeah. When I feds brother them then slap over there, man. So if no one of them normally used to company black come creep up the youth, them and lick up fryers with the about the place, man. You say man they do one I post about them too. We used to, film face they all over the community.
Yeah man. Him same one. Everybody know him. And everybody did their funeral. King, Itis, even Butcher. Or you never did it.
Well, still the truth telling you, Miss Brissett. You see, true, me even turn away from what I'm just kind of talking, Whereas I'll share soon dig off. I just say me I go and hold him. Go and tuck inside, that's it.
I know say you want it is good. But I don't know if Uno and Butcher good. I will see a player over the funeral and it never look right, brother. The match never that match up.
Something go on at the funeral? What go on?
What one was King and Itis stand up one side, Butcher the one side. King leave and go talk to Butcher. Leave from Butcher and go back go talk to Itis.
Plus, Siva did there at the funeral too. I will see Butcher cut same time.
Siva? No, man, I joke. Wait, they say, you not tell me, say, you not even bury him over there. I man major see I go down the same time, Can't believe. So what you say, go on? And it is not even short, me?
Look like him not ready to tell you nothing yet, man. What you say? We could touch him, brother. Because I will me that power.
Marcus Wallace.
So boy run down and get politician back it even now. So politics badness in the pan. A whole heap of things the boy they go on with still, So like how now agent, you can't dig up in file.
That I think no. We do that already, brother. But that no work. Because in file clean.
Clean? Them boy they not clean. I wanna tell me say.
What me I say to you is that Marcus Wallace clean up him file, which makes him more dangerous and untouchable.
See what me I talk about. Then a target practice the boy you have for when the next time in forward. Can you have politicians as in back it even now?
Get where you access to, Where you see certain loose ball, him can't play again, brother. The fact that him there on Marcus, he can't do certain things again. If him do certain things, that will lead right back to Marcus. And he no want that. So he might have him on a leash.
Whisper, remember say we have street knowledge, you know. Used to the streets, you know. He nah go do it bad man, cause he know street food. So him I go have couple killer around him, couple grimy soldier. We are gonna take on the work for him. You hear that? Him in person nah go do it bad man.
But consider all of them things there, Novish. You think Butcher would have ID him as the shooter?
Tell you the truth. ID parade or something we no go on still, you know. But you see like how Butcher turn past, you know. We not even know when we would do, you know, so we have to go circle him up, you know.
So how him there now?
I don't say good run off in restaurant too.
Restaurant.
Yeah man, you have a restaurant for the main man.
So how long him around that now?
You know, so a little before him get caught up what he do.
Alright, Bish, here. I'm going to put your mind at ease. I want you have some patience, at least more patience, and just calm same way. The link with Mr. Mullins have is a good one. So once all of the proceedings and the processing of all the paperwork and everything go through, less than a month.
You just promise we say I'll keep it cool. And if anything jump off over your side, just call we first.
A licensed firearm is for the protection of your business and your family. It's not a free for all.
Oh, was this percent, man. I'm gonna do the right thing, you hear that? Just want to feel safe.
And you have to know this, brother. Every time you use it, I'm going to take it from you. I'm going to run them ballistics and hold it for check and things. So just don't use it loosely, see?
Here what? We're going to run now. But of course, you know, we can't come and not support the business. Fix up a shape for me, alright?
And you know what I said? I want some of them 3 glass water. 1 load sugar.
A lemongrass, brother. And the one them no sweet with sugar, and only sweet meat, you see me? I need this in this percent, see me.
Alright.
Vish, we're out.
Yo, you connect, you know?
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, green and fall in a basket.
Yeah.
Right, Joe. Boss, hurry up.